In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Kraken Pro to another wallet. So go ahead to your portfolio at the bottom right, scroll a bit down to find your balances, and you're going to see Tether USD or USDT, and then hit withdraw. And of course, you're going to see right here, I already generated an address. But if you don't, just go ahead and hit add withdrawal address and go to your favorite wallet, right? And make sure you already generated the address so you can paste the link, or paste the link immediately, right? So I'm gonna hit receive right here, and of course select the USDT from your selected crypto or selected coins and add it as an address exactly like this, right? And of course I don't have 6 USDT yet, but you can add as many or as much as possible to withdraw from USDT to your favorite wallet, say Phantom wallet in my case. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.